Hello, and welcome back to ES Club. I am Sophie. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we have a very special topic. Today, we are going to talk about why you need to learn English. Yes, we are going to find your reason. Your reason is very important. When you know why you are learning, it is easier to keep going. So relax, breathe slowly, and listen carefully to my monologue. Let's begin. Why do you need to learn English? Yes, why? What is your reason? Learning English is not only about grammar. It is not only a language. It is about your life, your future, and your dreams. So today, we will find your reason. And when you find your reason, learning English becomes easier. Are you ready? English is a global language. People from many countries speak English. You can use English almost everywhere, every country, any place in the world. Now we try to understand why you learn English. Maybe you want to study abroad. Maybe improve your work situation. Maybe for your university, for internet information, or to understand AI, for your travel. English helps you connect with people, understand the world. Maybe you want to watch movies without subtitles. Maybe you want to speak with people from other countries. All of these are good reasons, but listen carefully. Your reason must be personal. Your reason must be strong, because learning English takes time. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel slow. Sometimes you want to stop. But when you have a strong reason, you continue. You keep going. So today, think about your reason. I want to tell you a story about my friend Leo. Leo lived in a small town. He wanted to be a tour guide. He loved his town. He loved the mountains and the river. But Leo was afraid. He did not speak English. When tourists came to his town, Leo stayed quiet. He felt sad. He thought, I can never be a tour guide. One day, Leo found his reason. His reason was, I want to show the beauty of my home to the world. This reason was very strong. Leo started to study. He learned 5 new words every day. He listened to slow English videos every morning. It was not easy. Sometimes Leo made mistakes. Sometimes he felt frustrated. But then he remembered his reason, the beauty of my home. 2 years later, Leo was the best tour guide in his town. He talked to people from America and England. He was happy and confident. Leo did not learn English because it was a school subject. He learned English because he had a dream. Do you have a dream like Leo? Of course you can. Again, I say, some days you will feel tired. Some days you will feel frustrated. Some days you will think, this is too hard. Maybe I should stop. At that time, remember that quote. If you think it's easy, it's easy. If you think it's hard, it's hard. So think English is easy and find fun, happiness there. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Small steps every day. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. That is enough. Don't compare yourself with others. Find your problem. Learning takes time. That is normal. You will make mistakes. That is normal. But every mistake is a lesson, and every lesson makes you stronger. You do not need to be perfect first. That is how you reach your goal. I believe in you. Okay, my dear, I am really happy you stayed until the end. That is our lesson for today. Today, you learned why English is important. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep going. This is ES Club. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.